Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is your ultimate solution for endless power wherever you are. This portable charger boasts a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, meaning you can fully charge an iPhone over 6 times before needing a recharge. Imagine days without worrying about finding an outlet, perfect for travel, festivals, or just busy everyday life. What makes this power bank truly special is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, intelligently identifying your device to deliver the fastest possible charge. No more guessing or slow charging. It just works, optimizing power delivery for your smartphone, tablet, or earbuds. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, sharing with a friend or charging your phone and tablet at once. Anker's legendary reliability and premium build quality mean this isn't just another battery pack. It's a robust, long-lasting investment. If you're searching for the best portable charger for your electronics, the PowerCore 20,000 mAh is an absolute game changer. Ready to experience true power freedom? Check out the Amazon link in the description below to grab yours today. For anyone needing reliable, high-capacity portable power, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is my top recommendation for 2025.